Hi, I'm Rob at Dundalk Motors. We're a family-run business that's been trading over 30 years. Booking your service and MOT isn't always easy. But here at Dundalk Motors, we offer a free collection delivery service and a simple online booking tool with instant pricing. Enter your vehicle registration on our website and select what your vehicle needs. If you book your vehicle with a major service, you'll get your MOT for just 1p. Should you choose our collection and delivery service, we'll contact you on the day to arrange a convenient collection time. When your vehicle arrives at Dundalk Motors London, we will carry out the required work. Should there be any additional work, a service advisor will contact you for further authorisation. Payment will be taken once work is complete and the vehicle will be dropped back to you. Dundalk Motors London has great ratings across a variety of online resources, and we work hard to ensure customer satisfaction.
Since I've owned a car, I've always used Dundalk Motors and I think they're great, and I love how I can book my MOT and service online. I really recommend using Dundalk Motors.
For your 1p MOT, simply enter your registration and book online today.